Okay, so this section of our site is really about Ernest Rutherford's experiment proving the existence of a nucleus. So Rutherford was a late 19th century physicist from New Zealand whose work in nuclear physics eventually won him a Nobel Prize. Now, his famous experiment, its goal was essentially to prove right the existing atomic model of the time, which was the plum pudding model discovered by J.J. Thomson, who had incorporated his discovery of the electron into his model and deduced that, in his opinion, the atom was a soup of positive pudding with flecks of plums that were actually electrons. Now, the experiment uh, was carried out by encasing an alpha particle emitter inside an inhibitor like a concrete block with only one exit point for those alpha particles. And from there, they would go through a slit in a detection screen and straight towards a piece of gold foil. Now, if this plum pudding model was correct, was the truth, uh, then as the alpha particles traveled through this very thin, one atom thin piece of gold foil, they would only be deflected at small angles. Right, because why would any particle going through a soup get deflected at a large angle? There's nothing for it to hit against and deflect. It's like shooting a BB gun through a mound of snow. You don't expect the BB to shoot out the side at any weird angle. You expect it to go right through or maybe be shifted a little to the side or down. So when he actually carried out this experiment, he had very surprising results. Rutherford did not expect what he got. The alpha particles were deflected at huge angles of deflection sometimes, but most of the time they passed through. Some alpha particles even went straight back towards the emitter. Now, with this data collected, he was able to deduce that the plum pudding model must be incorrect because nothing in the plum pudding model could explain these immense deflections, so he theorized the nucleus, which was probably one of the most influential, important discoveries of his time and of the entire world of physics.